In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to order for Wise card. So Wise debit cards to be precise. So all you just need to do is just log into your Wise account. Then down below you're gonna see card. You just click on that. Then this page is going to load. Global spending made simple. Spend abroad and at home. No makeups, no marks up, sorry, then no transaction fee. Just click on order a debit card, then this page is going to load. So they're gonna ask you to tell them about yourself, country of residence, full legal first name and middle name if available, then last name, your date of birth, your phone number. Then once you're okay with it, just click on continue. Your date of birth as well, just click continue. Then they're gonna ask you for your home address so that you'll be able to know where they can actually send the card to. So once you finish all this page right here, then they will tell you how long the card will take for you to be able to receive it at your home address that you provided when you are trying to sign up on Wise platform. But then if you have no reason for using the card, I won't just advise you to go for it, because later on they might be charging you some money for the card maintenance fee and something like that. So if you don't need the card, you don't have to order for the card. But if you really need it for one or two things, you can just do that.